Pinimati jong ni Painar Kemar ni Lakhain koi rapot nilip MSC constituency ke parlo dokhora hidi along akimi NAYARA Petrol Pump kangpu. Hemalong gari motor mate bike motor le dosita jangtu ke thayawar sai ave pulote isi kisunga sonsido. La sonsi nona por nilibarat ke doana tuma phanisi birta ke mea sonsi klanglo. Kedam tang penanganar ni penili bahawararat kaning rimate adung hedalong jangtu ke thai kavia jok penangana kisung kachetong nanga sonsi dolo. Sitami nona por NAYARA Petrol Pump nili bahawaralong kangpu ponpen tebok terayarat ke doana tum sitami ning karong pensi dolo. La sonsi pinimati jong ni Painar Kebar ni nili bahawar dokhora hidialong Uddam Bora Gobinda Bora tum chelangsi NAYARA Petrol Pump ingpu pondo. Bangso long nilip MSC Povitra rong pichetong dunsi bangso NAYARA Petrol Pump ingpu pipondo. Lapen nili bahawar long pen bang hingi bang phwa tuma phan sai ke klemawar sai pek pon pusi NAYARA Petrol Pump hempu Gobinda Bora pen therangke thing no ningji.
Through because of petrol and diesel, they are filling the tank like in 120 rupees or like 100 rupees. Like it is like lot of pain, and like at night it's not available, right? So then I realized like if something can be done for a region or like for this part of Karbi Anglong, then I got an opportunity through one of my friends, and then we went through the bidding process and got the license. And all, now it's like after 2 years of activities and all, like we are now successful in opening, and I'm feeling great joy. And I could see that these people of this part of Karbi Anglong, and they are feeling the joy, and because we are a remote region, so I'm feeling very happy. And also I'm part of Nilip development block now. So
one thing. Will you give opportunity to the local people as a worker here?
Local people, we are committed to local people. We will definitely explore that. In fact, we are talking to our landowner who has donated land, and he will give 2 people here.
For the local people.
Yes.
Nili balong si birta ke belo si litum dat UC akimi litum bini kang long UC apran pen litum jangtu ke thai bini tum ni benge si hello pig ate kha siluri janan dam nai siluri janan dam tang ke tum 30 km tum dam nai ansi jangtu thai long lapen lapu numuli gor tetame lapu ronta laputa 25-30 km di dam nai kasi sumpik setame isi berta di melo itu our NAYARA company itu nili bapan isi BUC nang tidun lo apen so BUC la ke license kelong bangkel la ke Uddam Bora komit se license long tam itu nili bahawar mong se so BUC bangli no si pidi la bang so BUC sen pen long
Koila mati pen Samson inti Karbi Anglong live.